Have you ever wondered what the future of efficiency could look like? Well, let's take a glimpse. Picture this: a world where routine tasks are not a source of monotonous dread, but are taken care of with precision and accuracy by our digital allies. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie, but a reality that's unfolding right now. Welcome to the age of robotic process automation, or RPA. RPA is a technology that employs software robots, or bots, to automate routine tasks. These tasks could range from the mundane, like data entry or transaction processing, to the more complex, like responding to straightforward customer service queries. Imagine a world where you're free to focus on the tasks that truly require your unique human touch, while the repetitive ones are handled swiftly and accurately by your digital counterparts. So, the future of efficiency? It might just be a bot away. But how exactly does robotic process automation work, you may ask? Well, it's quite fascinating. At the heart of RPA are bots, but not your average bots. These bots are designed to mimic human actions in performing tasks. Imagine you're at your computer, clicking through applications, typing in data, and sending emails. Now imagine a bot doing all that for you. That's right. These bots interact with digital systems and software just like a human would. They use inputs, such as data or commands, to create outputs like reports or transactions. And the best part, they don't need coffee breaks or weekends off. They work round the clock, tirelessly, increasing productivity levels exponentially. Whether it's 3 in the morning or 3 in the afternoon, these bots are always on the job. In essence, they're tireless digital workers, always ready to perform. So, what does this mean for businesses and individuals alike? Robotic Process Automation, or RPA, is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer. By automating repetitive, rule-based tasks, it significantly boosts efficiency. Imagine a workforce that doesn't need breaks, doesn't make mistakes, and works around the clock. That's the power of RPA. But it's not just about efficiency. It's about freeing up humans to do what they do best: think, create, innovate. With RPA handling the mundane, employees can focus on tasks that require cognitive skills, empathy, and creativity. However, like all technological advances, RPA isn't without its concerns. Job displacement is a real issue. As automation takes over certain roles, the demand for new skills in the workforce rises. There's a need for us to adapt, to learn, and to grow alongside these digital co-workers. Like any technological innovation, RPA brings both opportunities and challenges. As we look ahead, what could the future hold for robotic process automation? A question that sparks curiosity and excitement. The future of RPA is a thrilling prospect, teeming with possibilities. One can't help but envision a world where advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning give rise to even smarter bots, capable of tasks beyond our current comprehension. Imagine a landscape where RPA is not just limited to certain industries, but prevalent across all sectors. From healthcare to hospitality, finance to fashion, no stone would be left unturned. The potential for RPA to revolutionize the way we work is immense. Consider a future where your coworker could be a bot, tirelessly working alongside you, increasing productivity, reducing errors, and enhancing efficiency. A future where bots become an integral part of our work. And as we step into this future, one thing is clear: robotic process automation is here to stay.